Hello children, welcome to Mr Wajjy's YouTube channel. Get ready to go on some adventures. Yeah! The wing goes in there. That goes in there. We need a tip. Put that in there. Another one ready. And we put the wing in this hole. Tip goes in there. If it goes in, there we go. Look at how many flames we have. Shall we line them up? Red, red and white, red and white, green and blue, green and blue, blue and orange. Are we ready for takeoff? Which colour shall we go for first? This one, blue and orange. Let's do one more. Let's do one of the green, blue and black. See if it goes even further. That did a spin, but it didn't go further. Let's see the red cross. Let's do two together. See if we can get a nice trick. Let's try again. I think we need some rolling action to let it go. That one's rubbish. This one, we're gonna fly really high into the clouds. This is it. So far, the first ones were the best ones. Let's see if these ones can do any better. Are we ready? Whoa. Whoa. One more. Oh! Let's go to the park. What's this? It's a fire engine. And it's red. Whoa! 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 Wow! Let's try this horse. What colour is this horse? It's white. Ready? Will this go higher than the fire, lower than the fire engine? Whoa! Yo! Whoa! Ah! Whoa! 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 That was fun. Look at this baby elephant. It's blue and red. It's a blue and red elephant. Elephants are normally blue. Let's make some elephant noises. Ma, can you do an elephant noise? Whoa. Whoa. The elephant's definitely the most strongest. Like a real elephant. Really strong. Whoa! Let's see if we can jump off. Whoa! 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 That was so much fun. Look at this. It's like a climbing frame, a hanging frame, loads of rope, and a slide, and more climbing frames. Where do we start? I think we should climb the wall, reach the top, come down on the slide. Let's go. Whoa. Are you hanging on? Are you still watching? Whoa! Nearly slipped. Whoa! Am I gonna reach the top? Whoa. I'm at the top. Yeah! Let's climb along like a monkey. I am a monkey. Whoa. Let's come down the rope. Shall we climb up this? Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. This is red. That's the color red. And this is the color blue. Shall we go down this slide? It's a bit wet, but it's okay. Ah! Don't go down a wet slide, children. You go really far. So are there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thanks for watching the first episode of Mr Wajjy. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you come and join us on more adventures all around the world to lots of places where we're going to learn a lot and see you lot and have loads of fun. Yay! Thanks for coming. Bye.